Hi everyone, it's Abdul Basit from HL Assistly. So GHL has just dropped and another amazing update, and that's actually workflow builder, that is advanced workflow builder. So what we will actually do, so if you are an agency owner, go to settings and scroll down to labs. Here you can actually see uh, all the latest updates that are coming are already in place. So we'll find the workflow builder. Let me see the new advanced builder for workflows. So enable for specific accounts are activate features. So that depends upon you. So how do you proceed? So if I click on activate features, so it's already activated for one of the sub accounts. So if I actually click on another sub account, it will, and also save that, and it's now enabled for all the sub accounts. So what you will actually do, go to your sub account, and then in the automations you will actually find your new workflow builder. So here we are in the automations. There are several amazing features that are just added in the workflow builder. So do check all of these. I'm actually going a walkthrough, start from scratch. So let's build another workflow and let me show you how that will work. So here you can see you have two options, that is standard builder or advanced builder. So if you switch to advanced builder, this workflow will work with the advanced builder. So you can actually switch back this workflow with the standard builder. So now you have multiple options. At first step, you can add trigger or an add action, or in the left side, you can add workflow comments, sticky notes. Yeah, you can drop in your sticky notes in here, and also uh, just like Anytan and other workflow builders, you can check your error logs for your workflows if you are facing any issue, and then you can have stats view. I'm actually not enabling it, and then another one of the amazing features that is included is actually workflow switcher. So you will see the workflows that you already built. So let's suppose if I go to this, if I need to go to this workflow, just click on that and another workflow will be open in here. So you don't actually need to switch back and find your workflows. So you can just click on that. So I guess a lot of workflows can be seen. So as you can see, that is built 1 month ago, and we can actually access that. So this is the workflow. This is also in the advanced builder. So you can see this look amazing, and you can also see the version history from here, and also from here you have selection mode, fade to screen. So if we click on fade to screen, yeah, and then zoom and zoom out. So these are all the amazing features. So let's check this workflow. So as you can see, I have this workflow, that is form submitted, three triggers, customer replied, service submitted. So we can have this one, and let's suppose we can add an action. Let's see, add an action, and then suppose, and another feature that is in here, so you can actually find which action you would actually want to add. So let's suppose add a contact tag. So let's suppose this is, so that let's suppose tag is new client, save action, and yeah, you can actually drag and drop it from anywhere. Yeah, as you can see, and also you can just copy action, and yeah, the tag is actually added in here. So you can add the node in here. So this is how the new workflow builder will work. And another thing is actually, so let's suppose if we add an action here that is email. So email builder is also pretty much built now. I'll actually enable the new email builder. So you can also add multiple workflows in here instead of building into another workflow. Let's suppose add a trigger, and trigger is new tag, which is let's suppose old client or something. So let's remove that. Yeah, so you have new trigger in here. If the contact tag is this, then you can actually send email or whatever action you want to perform. So you can have multiple uh, options in here. So this is the new workflow builder that is actually amazing. That has several latest features. So do check this out, and I also showed you how to actually enable that. And also I am adding my community link in the description. So do check that out, where I am dropping new features, new funnels, and free websites every single week. So please do check, and let's grow together. Thank you.